Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to transform the starter store into a much more profitable one. You don't need to save up any money for this, you can get it just by selling the starter store. So step 1 is to sell the starter store. Make sure to get the roof and the lights as well. Next, place some asphalt in a 4x16 rectangle like this, and then some concrete in a 4x8 underneath it. Then you're going to wall everything off in a square, and place a roof on top with just roofing material. Next, place 3 shelves and 1 checkout register. Now place 2 fountains like this, and stock your shelves with the 3 types of toys. Now hire your 1 cashier and 1 restocker. Just in the starter pickup truck you can start going and delivering toys to your shop. And just repeat and you should be good to go. I have more videos like this coming soon, so if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.